Hey guys, and this is the 17th part of me playing Minecraft. So in this part we're gonna do a farm with the cows and everything. So more animals, so we can have more animals. So I crafted some leads. I have two of them, so we can get our cows. And first we need to build the what is called where they're gonna be. So we're gonna go build it, build some fences. So I'm pretty sure fences craft like this. Yeah. So we need to make some sticks. This much. So I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna get 48. Okay. And now we have as much as we need, I think. So now we're gonna build the thing where they're gonna be. So I think I'm gonna build it right here. So out of the video, I made some more space, and we can make it more. So we're gonna put some dirt over here. So it's even bigger. So I think we're gonna build it somewhere over here. Yeah, like that. So it's gonna be this wide. It's gonna be big. Now we can make it back bigger. Build it like this. Gonna be this long. Oh, it's a bit. One of them is longer and one of them is shorter. So I need to move this one right here. Now place the fence. Yeah, so the middle is gonna be over here, and we need to craft a thing, where you can get in, like on the chicken's home. And I noticed that on the chicken's house, we already have four little chickens and one big chicken, so the eggs can come faster. I'm gonna get some wood because I need to craft that thing where I can get in, like in the chicken's house. So I think we have enough wood right now. So we have a crafting table over here, so we can craft it. So we're gonna craft it like this. Yeah, we only need one. And now we're done. Now we need to bring cows and animals over here. I think this is only gonna be for cows, yeah. Or sheeps, I don't know. Who we found first is gonna be for them, but not chickens. Cause like, I don't see any animals at all spawn here. Oh, sheep. Um, I don't know. Uh, that sheep is not white because it doesn't have white fur. Because if I'm gonna have white and white and dark sheep, it's not gonna be. I'm gonna get gray sheep, but I only need gray ones. I only need white ones. Oh, I see pigs. Oh, it could be a pig farm. Oh, cow. Yeah, I want cows more. So I'm gonna get this cow, and I'm gonna get this one. Cows, come here. Where's the second one? I lost her. Where's the thing for her, bro? No, it ripped. Where is it? Lead, yeah. There should be one more over here, yeah. So we get this one and we get this one. Cows. You guys are so long. We're almost done. We're almost done. Get up, cow. Guys, come here. And now, almost done. Yeah, let's go. I have 2 cows. Now I can do this, I think. Yeah, so I can get more cows. So I'm gonna get this. Wheat now. I think I need more. A bit more. I'm gonna plant it back after. Yeah, little cow, let's go. Hey, little cow. Can I feed the little cow? No, I cannot feed them anymore. So, we're gonna go to sleep right now and we're gonna bring more. We're gonna bring more cows because I saw more. Nothing fell out. Okay. We're gonna go to sleep right now. Close our door so no one comes in. Okay, we'll have to wait. Unbreaking 3, unbreaking 3. Projection 4. So we breeded 2 cows together so they have baby cow now. So we're gonna plant the remaining seeds over here that we broke. Oh, look, we have a watermelon. Okay. So we have 2. I think we're gonna bring 2 more, I think. I'm gonna go get more. Oh, I see 1. Yeah, I see 1 at least. Gonna see if there's more. Oh, so there's 1 over here and 1 over there at the back. So I'm gonna bring this one. Cow, come here. Where's the other cow? Oh, it's over here. Hey cow, come here. So we have 2 more. we're gonna break down. Where's our house? We're gonna go down here, I think. And there's our house. It's close to us. Oh, I lost the cow. You two, come here. So now we have 4. I have more wheat, but it's only 1. But I need 2. Okay, I'm gonna go get 1 more watermelon? God damn. Oh, we have carrots over here. So guys, I think I'm gonna build a like farm for each farm is gonna be different. One is gonna be for wheat, one for watermelon. Oh, I think watermelon and pumpkin are gonna be together because they're almost the same. So watermelon and wheat and carrots are gonna be separated because like it's not very comfortable to do it. Okay, so we have enough now. Some eggs. Chickens, bro. How am I supposed to throw in? Okay. Now we're gonna go. I'm gonna drop off some stuff that I don't need because my inventory is so full. I'm gonna drop this. This. I need a bow. Torches, not really. Yeah, bro. Guys, I'm gonna meet you when I get more wood. So it's gonna be in 1, 2, 3. Guys, I have 32 wood now. So we're gonna craft it into normal wood, and we're gonna craft some more fences for the farm. We have the buckets. Where's the bucket? Where's the bucket? Okay, we're gonna go get the bucket and craft the fences. Here's our bucket. So, yeah, I think to craft fences we need to do this. So we have 2 stacks of wood. So we're gonna do it like that. Take like 45, I think is enough. Now we exit out and we do this. And we need one of these, I think. Yeah, we need one of these. We throw this out. We don't need that. So now we're gonna go build the farm. We're gonna build it. Technically, we can. No, I think we're gonna just do this. So we're gonna do it like that and like that. The enter is gonna be over here. So now we're gonna need to put. One guy texted me that one block can do 9v9 of blocks. So I'm gonna do it. Now I'm gonna put these back. I'm gonna look one over here and one over here, like this. I'm gonna go get water right now. So now I'm gonna go get more water. Hope you guys like my videos. My views went up so much, so I hope you guys really like them. And I want you guys to put some likes, cause I see many views, but no one puts likes. So I want you guys to put some likes. Oh, now now it's infinite. Yeah. So now we have them. We're gonna do this. Oh, stop. No, oh, we need space for the plants to grow. For the everything, for the melons and everything. So I'm gonna move it one block right to the right. Take the fence, put it over here, and move it one block here. Yeah. Oh, so the middle row is not gonna be. Whoa, we can plant carrots on the middle row. So we're gonna do it like that. And now we do this row. We're gonna take our carrots, plant them over here. Take our melons. I don't know why it's called melon, cause it's like watermelon. It's not melon. Take pumpkins, plant them. Oh, we can take off this wall. I'm gonna go to sleep right now cause it's night. Just wait a minute. Sleeping right now. And guys, we're starting to get more achievements, so now we're up to a lot of them, I think. Oh, wait. I can do this area too. Over here, so it's gonna grow to over here. I'm just gonna mine this and put like grass over here. Yeah, I'm gonna just make a place here and plant more of these. I'm just gonna do this. Look, I'm gonna break this one. I'm gonna break this one. We need to put water over there. So now we have water. Plant the seeds back. I'm gonna take them from here first. Take the pumpkin. Plant the weeds back. Put the fence back. I'm gonna put these watermelons because I don't like pumpkins very much because like I cannot do like literally anything with them. Oh, they're growing up now. Oh, they want seeds. No chickens, I cannot give them to you. I'm sorry, chickens. So guys, in this part we have built the we have built the farm for the cows and we built the for the watermelons and melons. So guys, I hope you like this video. So bye.